Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video you can see poster design of the KTM RC 8R bike. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's take a main image. By the way, if you want these images in this video, then check the link in description. The main image resize it like this. After the selection, press Ctrl+J for copy a select. Make sure the brush size is bigger and the hardness is 0. Shadow the created realistic look for the image. Take a background image. Make a selection of this image for removing white color of the background by using the selection tool. After the selection, press Ctrl+J for copy a selection on new layer. Let's add a gradient overlay on background layer by using bending options. Change the style of gradient into the radical mode. Change blending mode of the background image into luminosity, as well as decrease the opacity of this image. Make a copy of the main image, also increase the darkness of this image by the using level. Create a layer mask on the layer for removing some brighter area of the main image. Okay, let's add some content. Let's add a logo. Put it on right corner. Here is the information and features of this product which I already typed. Let's create a shape by using with the rectangle tool. Okay, let's add some content in this shape. Also, you can add website contact number and other information about this product. Well friends, our poster is ready now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also don't forget to like and share this video.